Now we're going to do the design. We can see this is the existing hair here. From here to here, there's no more hair. This area is empty. The hair have receded, deep recession, wider recession, and this is on the left side. This on the right side. From here to here, supposed to be the hairline, but over the years, now he's already turned 50 years old. This already lost and gone deep. This is called deep recession.
Okay.
And from here to here, there's no more hair. Today, we're going to fill up this area to cover the M shape, and we're going to restore back the hairline from the middle, the anterior point, to the right lateral point. This is the anterior point, this is the right lateral point. When I connect all these dots from the middle and I go towards the right, and the hairline appears. From here to here, the hairline appears. Now, this small area here that I'm drawing is called the widow's peak here. And this is called the surgical planning and the surgical organization of graft. And the hairline, only a single hair will be placed on the hairline, and the second and third row also will be single hair. Then multi-graft, double and triple will be put behind here, and the density, the angle and direction will be placed correctly following the international guidelines so that it match to the hair at the surrounding area.
A good design, yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting.